Hey, all my YouTuber friends out there. So we got an update. Our motor is in. It's at the mechanic. So we've been at this campsite here for 16 days. We're bored, so we still got a couple more days to go. Well, 7 days, something like that, before I can get the Jeep in. So we're gonna have to go into town anyway, because after 16 days I gotta do laundry. And the closest laundromat is 50 miles away. What a bummer. So we're gonna leave here. We're gonna pack up, head into Missoula, do my shopping, do my laundry, and probably find another spot for a little while until we can get the Jeep in. So let me show you the spot that we're at. It's really beautiful. So we've been doing some fishing here. Last week it was awesome. I caught a bunch of fish, caught a couple of nice cutthroats, a couple browns. I didn't get them on video, but I got a picture of them, so I'll put the picture here. So this trout are pretty cool. So after 16 days, now we're gonna pack up. The new motor. Went down that little dirt road just to explore it. Usually there's a nice campsite at the end of some of these little roads, but not on that one. It was just a dead end, narrow, looks like it's never been used. Luckily I got out of there. So this little stream here is Trout Creek. We were camping here about 3 weeks ago, so I figured we'd come back to this area. I got like 1 bar cell here, but it's enough to make a phone call. And the river is a nice river for fishing. So we're going to see, we thought maybe we could find another spot to camp, but we're going to head to the other campsite, see what we got. Irish Death. It's good stuff. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good stuff. So we found another campsite, went to the garage real quick, took a look at our motor, couldn't see much, it was kind of wrapped up. The motor's in a couple more days, about 6 days from right now, it's going to be put in, and that should take about 2 to 3 days. So let's keep our fingers crossed. So we're at this spot here. This is we're in the woods, we're on Trout Creek. Again, we did this about 3 weeks ago, but we're in a different, little different spot here. But we're in the woods here, as you can see. It's all wooded. So let's head back here. So we got a trail here. It heads back. That trail is about 100 feet back is the stream, so I can walk right to the stream. So I couldn't camp right on the stream this time, so I'm 100 feet away. This is good enough. It's just a little walk, and I got this beautiful trout stream. So we'll take a walk there a little later and do some fishing. All right, got my curiosity up. I want to check out this river. Take a little stroll here. So come on, take a walk with me. Got my beer with me too. Oh. Even got a pathway. Way cool. Oh man, this place is just beautiful. Check it out. So, it's awesome here, man. It's just awesome. So I'm stuck here for 6 days. I'm going to fish the hell out of this river, this stream. It's Trout Creek. We're going to get some good pictures on catching some trout on the video. Okay, let's go fishing. Got nothing. Not even a rise. Maybe it's too early. I don't know, but I think maybe head back, do some lunch, have a beer, and come back out a little later. I think I'm going to get rid of these waders and wet weight it. It's pretty hot out. I gotta say, man, oh, this place is just beautiful. This is Montana at its finest, man. These mountains are awesome. Awesome. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like it's snowing. Just a lot of white fluffy stuff. So that trout was pretty cool. Nice beautiful rainbow. But let me tell you, I was fishing, I was getting nothing. I spent so much time doing the video, catching nothing, that I said I was going to do lunch. So I shut everything down, put the GoPro away, and I just threw a reel cast in real quick before I got to my sight here, and sure enough, pound, this thing hit it. So basically, while I was fighting this rainbow, this crazy ass, big ass, nice trout, I'm trying to get my GoPro out and set it up, and so I can get some shots of it, which I kind of did. So it was worth it. So now we're gonna do some fly tying. My fly tying stuff. Hey everybody, we're back on the river again. Doing a little more exploring here, and we just found this beautiful little pool right in here. We're gonna check it out. And also we decided, as you can see, no waders. It's such a pain in the butt. It's so much easier without the waders, and warmer. Let's see if we can get anything out of this pool. Man, that looked like a perfect pool. It was deep. Looks like something will have a lot of big trout in it, but I guess not. So I've been fishing with my 3-weight, my 6.5 foot tiny little rod, my St. Croix. This is it. I love this little rod. I'm catching some really good sized fish with that. So we got back here, started raining, just chilling out, time for dinner, and we're gonna have some bison. I found some bison meat in the store. Let's cook this up. I'm being lazy today. I'm just doing some meat and some mashed potatoes. I don't feel like cooking any vegetables. I'm tired today. A little salt, a little pepper, a little onion powder, and a little soy sauce. Better cast the fly out there again. See if we can get any. That was a really big ass trout I just had, but right there, there's a lot of trees. He was going in there. I was trying to hold him back, and he took off and snapped off, got into those bushes there. But man, the trout are coming up here. I'm going to try to put a bigger tippet on. Nice. So, it's an awesome day today. Got a couple of nice, really nice sized trout. Nice cutthroats. It was awesome. So, I think it's time. Dump truck. Summer Bach Lager. Got my fish can opener. Bottle opener. Yep. Astrobia. Good day of fishing. Oh yeah. So we've been tying up some flies here, and these flies have been killing it on the river. Let me show you these. Don't know if you really can see it, but those are size 12 little dry flies. Just a little orange body, grizzly hackle, and I got woodchuck for a tail. That's it. And they are killing it, man. They're rising for it. They love it. This is my go-to fly for when I'm doing cutthroats. To my dry fly. I was just thinking, when you have a bottle opener and you call it a can opener, you know you're old. A real bed. Awesome. Hey everybody. We're at the hotel. We dropped the car off. Get the new motor in. And that should be done in a couple days. So we're just hanging out here in the hotel here. I'm recording on my phone right now because when I got here, took the Uber cab and I left my GoPro in it. Called them up, never returned my call, so I got a feeling I lost my GoPro. What a bummer. So that's more money I got to spend for another camera. So anyway, that's our story. We're waiting for a phone call from our mechanic, and we're gonna go from there. So we got one more night in this hotel. So anyway, I'm John. I'm 65. I'm over the hill. Didn't go over a mountain today, but oh well. So that's it for the blog. Next vlog will be picking up my Jeep and heading out to do more exploring. So don't forget, never stop listening to rock and roll. Never stop walking. And we'll catch you guys a little later. And don't forget, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye.